Well, I'm here in the van today. I can't believe it, but I'm gonna go look at another project. I've always wanted a big truck, a wood bed, stake sides. I think I found one. We're gonna go see. If you want to come, let's go. You'd have to be a Ford guy though. Chevys ain't gonna like this. It's a Ford, 1945. I don't know what size it is. I think it's a 2-ton. Let's go take a look at it. See if it's worth buying. Let's go. Well, I just decided on that newer model F-150 that I put the engine in. Had water damage, had a blowed engine. I put another engine in it. Got it running good. It's a nice truck, but it's too nice of a truck. Anytime I need a truck now, I don't want to use it. It's too clean. It's too pretty of a truck. Throw limbs in, or metal, anything. Anything you want to use the truck for, it's too nice. So I need to go find me something I don't have to worry about putting a scratch on it when I want to use it. So maybe this will work. It's been sitting in a parking lot for 5 or 6 years, the owner said. I remember every time me and Judy goes to Smoky Mountains, we drive back past it. It seemed like it's been there for at least that long. It's supposed to have been running good when he parked it. One of them deals. Let's hope so. Yeah, I got some driving to do. This thing sits about, I'm thinking, about 70 miles outside of Nashville, which is not too bad for me. I live about 90 miles outside of Nashville. So maybe 20 miles. That's not bad. Be out here in the country. And I think I'm getting here, and I think it's right around the corner here, if I remember right. Yeah, right here, I think. No, yeah, it is. Yeah. I'll get in here and turn around, hopefully. Yeah. Got it turned around. Oh. Let's go see what we got. Pretty handy van. Real good for van camping. Farms for sale if you need a farm. Yeah, there she is. Yeah. He's got a whole new front end. Well, not new, but he said it was perfect. This one's not. Looks like it just might need a paint job. Yeah. A little rust. What do you expect? It's over 70 years old. Yeah, I would think it'd be a 2-speed rear end, but it don't look like it is. Maybe it's been changed. Yeah. Hold the brake lines. I don't like old brake lines. My last car hauler blew a line going down a hill, like to kill me and everybody else on the road. How's it look up there? Got some nice mufflers. Yeah, it opens. Any snakes? Yeah, I've seen a lot worse. Even got keys in it. Yeah, maybe we can test drive it. Yeah. Said it hadn't been running for 5 or 6 years, but it ran good. Door panel still look good. How's this look? Feels fairly solid. A couple holes. Yeah. Got something to work with. Let's see what's under here. Probably a snake. Gas tank. Glass don't look too bad. See if the hood will open. Got an engine. Got some kind of nest in it. Got a newer V8. I don't know what. Can't make it out, but it almost looks like a Chevy engine. Yeah. Boards ain't much. Let's see about the floorboard. Check out this door. Yeah, it's solid, pretty good. Just a little bit. Rocker panel. Feels okay. Yeah. Best I can tell, somebody put a piece of metal over the floor. Maybe. It don't look bad. Yeah, it's about the way they like them anymore. I'm sure that's froze up. Maybe. Yeah, the glass looks okay. A little smoke, but that's the way they all are. Yeah, I hate to lay on this grass. What's it look like under there? What I can see, not too bad. Yeah, maybe you can see better than me. If he's got a better front end, he could use it. don't know how well the parts are to come by with these things. I bet that's a 350 engine. Chevy. Looks like one. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's not too easy for me to see in this light. It's right now I've got 2 torn retinas in my eyes. Any kind of glare I can't see now. I hope that heals quick. I can't get the engine to turn. I think it's stuck. Might be something you can free, but right now it's stuck. Well, I guess it's not that bad for the age. I'd have to get a bargain on it. Got a little bit of extension here. If you guys see anything I need to know, say it in the comments. Say probably you're not going to find much better. If it did have a better front end. I can't find it. He said it was one out here somewhere. But I don't see it. Look under here. Let's see the top. Yeah. Come undone, but I guess it's easy to fix. Yeah. Feels a little thin. I think somebody's probably covered them with some sheet metal or something. That's not bad. To be expected, I guess. He's supposed to have the flatbed for it too at another location. I don't know what size it would be. Of course, the wood's rotted out. He does have the panels that goes in there for your stake sides. They look like they're still in good shape. Yeah, what do you think? I guess since the engine's not turning over, it really depends on the price. I know it's a Chevy engine, but can y'all tell what? I've done forgot. You get old, you start forgetting things. Been doing too much body work. Well, I can't find the other front end over here. But so far, I would say it's probably worth whatever it would be weigh for junk. That's what it's worth. Yeah, it's fixable. Be a big job. We'll see. Well, y'all let me know what you think. Like I say, I think it's worth whatever junk would be worth. Whatever it weighs. We'll see. I may give him a call and tell him what he's got. That engine's not going to start. I pulled the dipstick out. It looked like it had some water in it. Kind of foamy looking. I don't know. I don't think it could get that way in 5 or 6 years. I don't know how water got in it. It's got a hood on it. Who knows? It could have been open for a while. No breathing. Yep. Head back to the house. I got things to do, like always. Y'all let me know what you think. I might buy it. The money's right. I like that. I might give a few dollars for that. 64. Yeah. I think this was the bed for it. Not much left. I don't know. Should almost make a better one. Guess this is the good side. Yeah. That's not gonna work. I'd buy that in Palo though. I like that. I'll see if he owns it. Don't need it just sitting there, is it? Yep, back home. Well, that's the way it goes. It's one of them days you just waste your time. Drive for miles to look at something. Not much count. Well, that's the way it is when you're messing with old vehicles. Some's good, some's bad. Most usually bad. You can usually tell by the price. If the price is good, better look out. Yep, got a ways to get back home. I never did find that front end. Maybe it's been stolen. We'll see. I'm looking at a Chevy. It's a ton truck with a dovetail bed already on it. I think the only problem with it, they could use the doghouse or the cab painted. And I think he's having a little bit of trouble with transmission in it. I may go check that one out next. Sounds like a better deal. Of course, it's more money, but it's got to be better than that one was. You never know till you look. Well, guess I'll check that out in a few days. See what we got there. All right. I guess I'll end it here. We'll see y'all on the next video. I'll get out here without getting wrecked. I made it.